Today I'm going to be doing bridal enhancement makeup on my client Amanda. So this isn't necessarily natural makeup. I'm going to be taking each one of her features and trying to make them look as best as possible, but in a natural way. I'm just filling in her eyebrows a little bit, and this is the before and after for each side. And then I'm setting them with some brow gel. I'm concealing the top of her eyelids and putting on a really soft brown right into her crease. And this is what it looks like when it's all blown out. If you're looking for an eyeshadow color that you can wear every day, I would get the color All That Glitters from MAC. It's a beautiful champagne color and it goes with everything. I am making a custom shade of foundation for her by taking a squirt of 2 different foundations and mixing them together. I'm doing a more natural application on her, so I'm taking my brush and I am pulling down instead of stippling. Applying her foundation like this will ensure that her skin still looks like skin. For concealer, I'm using the 71 brush from Sephora and the 170 brush from MAC, and I am stippling that on with the 71 brush and then buffing it out with my foundation brush. Then I'm taking the color Woodwinked and applying that right underneath her lash line. I'm going to show you a little contouring trick. Use the top of your ear as an anchor for where you need to put your contour. I'm being really careful with my contour and making sure that it's a light application because remember, we're just enhancing her features. I'm putting a Charlotte Tilbury highlight on the top of her cheekbone, and my favorite part is to put a pink highlighter right on the apple of her cheek. Can you see how this look just enhanced all of her features? Jacqueline did a beautiful half-up hairstyle with some pearls. I feel like this is the perfect bridal makeup because you still look like yourself, but your beauty is shining through.